What's up, everybody? My name's Ronnie D, and I wanted to do a review on this chainsaw. It's called the BILT Hard chainsaw. I bought it off of Amazon for like 120 bucks with tax and everything. It was on sale, and I said, well, let me try and see what it can do. I don't really cut trees for a living. I just been cutting stuff at my house, this stuff. And I'm going to give you a little demonstration on how it cuts. I got this huge log, so let's see what it can do. So there it is. I cut that log in half pretty quick. So if you want to try the BILT Hard chainsaw, go on Amazon and buy it. I give it a thumbs up.
Well, that's one.